A 22-year-old Dalit woman died after she had allegedly been gang raped by two youths in a Balrampur village of Uttar Pradesh on Wednesday, said police. And the victim was cremated on Wednesday night itself after post-mortem by a panel of 4 doctors. This is the second incident of gang rape and death reported just a day after another Dalit victim of gang rape and brutally from Uttar Pradesh, Hathras, died on Tuesday, sparking anger protest in the country. A day after outrage over the death and forced cremation of a Dalit gang rape victim from Hathras, Uttar Pradesh government is facing backlash after another Dalit woman died after gang rape in Balrampur district of the state. The 22-year-old woman employed at a private firm, according to family members, did not return home on Tuesday night, the police officials said. When she returned home on Wednesday in an auto rickshaw, she had intravascular cannula, medically known as Vigo, and used for administering injection glucose or other fluids in the body inserted in her hand, the police was reported as saying. According to the family members, the girl looked dazed and in a serious condition after she was rushed to the hospital by her kin. She died on her way to the hospital, Balrampur police claimed. The family has alleged gang rape after this incident was reported to the police from the hospital. Police officials said that 2 accused in the case have been arrested.
कि हाथरस की घटना के बाद मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि शायद यूपी में बीजेपी की सरकार कुछ हरकत में आएगी और यूपी में जो मन चले लोग हैं, जो बहन बेटियों का उत्पीड़न कर रहे हैं, तो उन पर ये सरकार जरूर अंकुश लगाएगी और यहाँ कानून व्यवस्था पूरी तरह से दम तोड़ चुकी है।
बलरामपुर में एक घटना घटी है। हम ये जरूर कहना चाहेंगे कि ऐसे लोगों को जितनी जल्दी से जल्दी सजा दिया जा सके और जितनी कड़ी से कड़ी सजा दिया जा सके, वह कर करके संदेश देने की ज़रूरत है, क्योंकि इस प्रकार के लोग अगर ये कर करके सरकार की बदनामी करेंगे, समाज की बदनामी करेंगे, तो मुझे लगता है उचित नहीं। इस नाते जितनी जल्दी से जल्दी हो सके इनको सजा दी जानी।
जब भी कोई इस तरह की दुष्कर्म होता है, इस तरह का जघन्य अपराध होता है और क्रूअल ब्रूटलिटी औरतों के साथ होती है, तब जो जिला प्रशासन और राज्य सरकार का जो रिएक्शन होता है, जो वो लोग पीड़िता को और पीड़िता के परिवार के साथ जिस तरह का कोऑपरेशन करते हैं, उससे बहुत बड़ा मैसेज और लोगों को जाता है, समाज को जाता है और तबक्कों को जाता है।
Coming down heavily on the Yogi government, Samajwadi Party Supremo and former Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav said after Hathras, now a daughter was harassed and gang raped in Balrampur. The victim died in a serious condition. Condolences. The BJP government should commit no laxity in this case, as was done in Hathras, and arrest the accused immediately. Congress leader Raj Babbar wrote on his Twitter handle, "Now in Balrampur, a girl from the Dalit society was harassed. A similar incident has also happened in Azamgarh and Bulandshahr. In every case, the victim is awaiting for justice. The BJP, which came to power with the promise of women's security, has forgotten it now." The Aam Aadmi Party tweeted, "In the last 2 days, 2 Dalit girls were gang raped in Uttar Pradesh and both succumbed to the brutal assault." This is the second incident of gang rape and death reported just a day after another Dalit victim of gang rape and brutality from Uttar Pradesh, Hathras, died on Tuesday, sparking angers of protest in the country. Bureau Report.